What is up, everybody? Brian Tong here, and in front of me, look at this. I played a little shuffle game because what do we have in these three boxes? We have the new HomePod minis in the three new colors. So what I figured I'd do is let's just do a fun unboxing. Let's open them, reveal them, and there are some kind of subtle details. So we're gonna use the magic of video and start with this. Ooh, it's blue. Okay, this is the blue box for the HomePod mini. You see it in all its nice. Ooh, it's cool. Okay, I already like the color. The boxes are already cooler than I thought. Okay, I know this sounds silly. Next one is yellow. Ugh. Oh, I didn't rip it all the way. Did I not rip it all the way? Oh my gosh. Sorry. There we go. It's yellow. Yellow. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy. It's almost like I planned this to match. All right, we got yellow here. Next one. It's orange. Ooh. This is like a deep mandarin orange. So here we have the three new colors here: blue, yellow, and orange. Now, which one should I open up first? I think, look, I'm wearing yellow, so let's mix up. Let's start with blue, yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna get my little trusty knife here. Let's go with blue here first, okay? And I'm one of those people that really likes to cut the plastic perfectly so that I can down the road it has higher resale value, like to kind of keep it intact as best as possible. Oh yeah, it's super nice. And sometimes if I can, I'll put it back in its plastic. Let's just take this off here. Come on, there we go. Listen to it. All right, so this is the blue HomePod mini. Let's see it. Ooh, that's pretty slick. Okay, let's go here to the yellow one. On my right side, on your left side, on my right. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Who doesn't love colors? Here we go. Shall we reveal? Ooh. Okay. This is real nice. All right, let's go to orange. Or this is like, what do they call them? Clementinas? Oh no, someone's got clementines. You know those bags you have at the supermarket? That's what this one looks like. All right, let's see here. I think I'm pretty good with this now. Shall we? Ooh. Okay, so first things first. You can tell that these three colors, like, these pretty much match up to those rare colors on the M1 IMAX. And the thing is that out of all the colors of the M1 IMAX, I love the purple, I love the green, I love the red. I do like the yellow actually a lot, but those are the colors that I'm hoping that maybe we can kind of complete this entire rainbow collection eventually, but those are the ones that I like the most. But what I think is really cool about this is not only is it just like, oh, the woven fabric here around there is the color, but if you look carefully, if you can see on camera, the actual the tint of the top here, it corresponds to each color. So the the orange kind of has a subtle orange tint on that top white. The blue has a subtle blue tint. The yellow has a subtle yellow tint. The actual controls, the volume up and down, those are actually corresponding to the actual HomePod minis. If we also look at this, let's try and get a better shot of this because we can. The woven cable that it comes with is also in orange tint here. You can see that. I'll pop this one off for the blue. So, I mean, instead of just, making the fabric on the outside of the HomePod mini a color, they really are corresponding. Here you got to see that light blue of the power cable. And then let's go here. This is almost like it's yellow, but it's almost like a custard blue on the woven fabric here, or woven cable here. So you have this as well. And then even on the bottom, if I recall, yeah, the bottom is actually There you see the yellow logo on the bottom here. If I flip this over for the blue. sorry, cords disaster. Ah! The blue matches the fabric, and then the orange, pop this off. And again, you'll never see these once they're like on a shelf or at a room, but you know, the bottom here also corresponds. You have a lot of different color elements going on here that I don't know. I like how they look. Okay, let's just see at least what's inside the box. You know, everyone's searching for those stickers, and I don't know if there's stickers in here, but we're gonna find out. I mean, what if there was a sticker that corresponded to the actual HomePod mini that you have? Let's go here. Looks like, oh, okay, the manual, but the sticker's white. It's not blue for blue. The sticker's white, and then you have your normal manuals here. So the thing about these HomePod minis, and I think I'll take them, put them out, pop that out of the boxes, and kind of at least try and display them properly. They also come with the USB-C power adapter here. This is still a white power adapter, so they didn't do anything matchy with that, which is okay. But I'm gonna pull these boxes aside here, and when we talk about the HomePod mini, you know, $99 for each one. These are going to be available to ship sometime in November. So you can go to the website, you can check them out. The last time I checked, they might have activated the ability to order them now, but right now these are at least going to ship sometime in November. And then when you look at these three, you also have some of the features that they recently released, I believe around the fall, where you have the enhanced proximity feature. So that allows me to take something like, let's say it's not playing any music and I'm playing music on my phone. It allows me to bring my phone within proximity of it, and it kind of just like this easy handoff. The controls will appear on the phone, and what's cool is I don't have to unlock my phone to control the music. If my lock screen is on and it's still playing music, I'll still see those controls on the screen. So this is kind of a nice convenient way if you're coming to your home and then you tap it on there. I've never done that before. I don't know if you all have. Also, there's integration with the Apple TV where you can now, if you purchase two, I mean, this is kind of fun if you have kind of a cool color theory themed house and this matches your color palette, where you can actually put an Apple TV up, put two HomePods, one on each side, HomePod minis specifically, and then those will allow it to use it for your studio home theater system. So studio sound, left and right channels. And then also, when you look at these, which is really cool, Siri capabilities, this is kind of new. It has the ability to kind of detect the loudness, how loud Siri's voice is based on the size of room and space that you have. So I guess you could say it calibrates itself for that. So those are kind of three new recent features that came out in the fall. But this is the collection of the HomePod minis in color. I'm gonna say, I mean, at first I was like, colors, but yeah, there is something charming about these, and I'm looking forward to them finishing the collection of, maybe we'll see purple, maybe we'll see green, maybe we'll see red, but there you have it. HomePod minis, $99, shipping sometime later in November. But there you go. That's kind of your caught 'em unboxing, and no, I'm not going to juggle with them. But look at these. Oh, they're dope.